Oh my gosh, you guys. Hello, hello, hello. I was so excited this morning. I woke up, it was cloudy. It wasn't hot, it was a cold cloudy. So I hurried up, I got my pumpkin peanut brittle candle from Bath & Body, got that going. Woo-ba-da-woo. Scary movie? Sure. And now I am going to decorating my 3-tiered tray for Halloween. We're going to do it 2 different ways. Okay, so we're going to decorate it twice. Okay, the top on this, I don't know how well you can see it, but I'm going to take the camera down anyway, so it's not a big deal. You'll see it. But anyway, I already got the bat up there, which is from the Dollar Tree, and a crow or a raven. I'm going to call them ravens, but whatever. And then a candle from the Dollar Tree. Okay, I wanted to get that situated because that was a little bit tricky getting that to stay put. Okay, so now for the second and third shelf, I think you can see pretty okay. Again, if you can't see real well, what I'll do is I'll start the second shelf and then we'll do the third bottom. Okay, all right, so I think what I'll do on the second shelf is I'm going to put this cup, and I got this cup at the 99-cent store, and it went perfect with my theme this year because my theme for decorating for Halloween is retro, and it's going to be witches and then retro pumpkins and black cats from, I kind of wanted the feel from the 50s because I think that's really cute. But anyway, let's go ahead and get this started. So we're going to put the cup here, okay? And I think I'll take these pumpkins that were from Michael's a couple years ago. This always reminds me of The Nightmare Before Christmas. I don't know why, but it does. Okay, so put that there. So I've got the bat, the candle, the raven, and now on the second shelf I have that. And then I'm going to put this purple jar, and it was a sugar skull, but I didn't want that. I just want the purple part. And then these are all the different things I made last year. This one I didn't make. This was from Michael's. The rest of this I did, and I have a video on that. So we'll put that up. So that helps keep the bat wing up. That's cool. And then this black spider from the Dollar Tree, I think I'll have him coming out of the cup. Okay, and then I think I am going to use just a little bit of orange because I have just touches of orange, okay? Not much, because I want this to be more of, oh, I don't know, more of macabre than retro, but not macabre, scary, just, you know, the blacks and purples with the witches theme. I don't think I want the purple right with the purple, so that'll go down there. I think I'm going to put this, keep that there, here, to the bottom, bring you down here. And I have this doily that I got from the 99-cent store, and I'm just going to kind of drape that right here. Okay, and then I'm going to put this jar, which I did, oh my gosh, did this 3 or 4 years ago. I just took a spaghetti jar, spray painted it black, printed out this trick or treat, got some little spiders and some of the roses from Hobby Lobby with the bling in it, and this that said Bewitched. And then I have a couple of my goodies that I made last year, these pumpkin suckers, supposed to be chocolate suckers, and some cake pops. So we're going to put that right here. Okay, so there we have that. And then I'm going to put my eyeball bouquet, which I did a video on that. This is so easy. I'm not kidding. This one is so easy. So I went ahead and got these out to put on here. So I'm going to lay those over here. Then I think I'll bring this purple, so you have purple on the top and then purple down here. Kind of rested there. Then I think we'll take this witch's hat and put that back here. Yeah, I like that. I'm going to have that way. And then I'm going to take this other candy corn. And that's going to be it. That's what we're going to do. So let me bring you down. So the first thing is up at the top, the bat, and that was from the Dollar Tree. And then this crow, raven, and then this candle, and then down on the second shelf I just put the goodies that I made last year and put them in this jar. And then over here is the Witch's Brew coffee cup, and I have the big spider coming out of that along with this black and white pumpkin. I think that goes perfect. And then down at the bottom, I have the spaghetti jar that I altered, and then just put more of the goodies, the cake pop and the pumpkin chocolate sucker. And there's another cake pop, and then there is the candy corn from Michael's, along with this witch's hat that was a pick. Then here is our eyeball bouquet with the witch's hat. There's one way to decorate a three-tiered tray for Halloween by just using things. Really, I mean, the majority of this is from either the Dollar Tree or I made it, except for that little pumpkin and the little pick. Other than that, everything was made or from the Dollar Tree. So guys, I hope that you like this particular tiered tray, and I will be back in just a minute and we'll do it in a different theme. Okay guys, we're back, and now we're going to do another completely different look for Halloween, but now it's going to be the retro, the orange, the blacks, you know, the typical, what you think of when you think of, well, at least what I think of when I think of Halloween. Okay, the first thing is I put up this sign. This came from Hobby Lobby about 3 years ago. I don't know if you can see it that well, but I'll bring the camera down like I did with the other one. Okay, so we're going to put that there. And then I think I'm going to put these two candy apples that I made last year right there. And for the second shelf, I'm going to put what Missy gifted me. Okay, so I'll bring you, oh no, I think you can see okay, just like that. Good. Okay. And then I think I'm going to put this little guy, and I've had him now for about 3 years. He's very retro. I'm going to put him right here to add some leaves, some fall leaves to this. Sporadically just put them in different areas. I think I'm going to put this little light, and I think, you know, I can't remember for sure where this came from. I think it was Hobby Lobby. Okay, now let's go down to the bottom. You can see I already have a cup, and that one says Fabulous, and that is also from the 99-cent store, along with a little pick on the side and then just a tea light holder in the bottom. And to that I'm going to add, remember with the other one, the spaghetti jar, well, I did a different one having to look more like the retro, and it goes really good with this guy right there. And that's holding all the different treats that I made last year. The candy corn suckers, the pumpkin chocolate suckers, the cake pops, the cupcakes. So that's going to stay there like that. And then I think I'll put this little girl, remember we did her last year, the cutouts from Google, and then we backed them with the cereal boxes. And then to that, I think I'm going to put some of the goodies into the cup. Okay, I took this out and I'm just going to add some more of these goodies. Aren't those cute? And I had a video, and I will link it so you can go to it after. So go to the end, because it'll be on the end screen after the video's over. Okay, so that's what that looks like. Okay, so we got that back into the tray. Then we're going to put these two pumpkins, because I think these look really cute with it. I wish I put this one, the other one over here. And I think I will call that done. It doesn't take long for these, does it? I think I'll add one more leaf. Okay, so I am going to take the camera down and let you see it close. Okay, everybody, it's done. So here is the sign. I think that looks so cute. And then here's our little retro girl we made last year, along with the candy apples that I made last year for Halloween. Just black paint mixed with Mod Podge, and the sprinkles are Sculpey. And then I just put some fall leaves to add another vibrant pop of orange and yellow. Then down on the second tray is the trick or treat sign. And then this little retro guy I've had, and that was from Hobby Lobby. And then this little tea light holder, I think this was from Hobby Lobby, but I really can't remember. I think it was, with some more autumn leaves. And then down on the third shelf is another one of those spaghetti jars that I altered with a retro Halloween picture. And then that is holding a bunch of goodies that I did last year. These cake pops and the candy corn and the cupcakes, like I said. So that's what's in there. And then down lower is that another one of those candy apples and another pumpkin. And then back here, the coffee mug from the 99-cent store. And then I just have that holding a bunch of goodies as well. And then over to this side is just another pumpkin. So you can see the look on this one is entirely different than the first one. So let me know which one you like better. This was fun putting these together with you. I'll be back shortly with another Decorate With Me. Guys, until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.